Wanna know how to uninstall the Boo dating app in Android? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your uh, Boo application and just simply hold on to it. And right here, you should be seeing this trash can button. Just simply select it and then select uninstall. Next, just simply head towards its app icon, and on the bottom right side you can also see uninstall. Just simply select uninstall and then select OK. So if you don't have any of this, just simply head towards your Play Store as well and search up Boo, and here you should be seeing uninstall right beside open. So just simply select uninstall and you should be done. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.